Welcome to YT Stock Exchange, the podcast that takes you on a journey into the exciting world of stock market investing. In this introductory episode, we lay the foundation for your investing journey by providing a comprehensive overview of the stock market and its significance in building wealth. Join us as we demystify the complexities of investing and equip you with the fundamental knowledge necessary to make informed investment decisions. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to brush up on the basics, this episode serves as your gateway into the captivating realm of stocks, shares, and exchanges. We kick off the series by exploring the benefits of investing and how it can help you achieve your financial goals. We delve into the essential concepts you need to understand, including stocks, shares, and exchanges, breaking them down in a beginner-friendly manner. But it doesn't stop there. Throughout this podcast, we will guide you through various investment strategies, from fundamental analysis to technical analysis, helping you navigate the complexities of the market with confidence. We will uncover the secrets of successful investors and share practical tips for building a strong financial foundation before diving into the stock market. So, whether you are dreaming of financial independence, planning for retirement, or simply looking to grow your wealth, join us every week as we empower you with the knowledge, tools, and strategies needed to embark on your own stock market investment journey. Get ready to unlock the potential of the stock market and take control of your financial future. Subscribe now and stay tuned for future episodes packed with actionable insights, expert interviews, and valuable lessons from the world of stock market investing. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn and grow. Let's begin our exciting adventure into the world of stock market investing together.